Yo, yo! What's up, guys? How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody had a good start of the week. And the crypto market is very exciting right now. So we're going to discuss about my top altcoins to buy right now. As always, sorry for double audio. I fucked up. Okay, it should be okay now. And so it seems like the dip that we saw the other day was indeed an emergency meeting, the live stream, whatever, the one that I had the other day, because the dip got eaten away quite quickly. We might go down due to potential black swan events, which seems very likely at this stage. But also we got bullish news. The approval of the Hong Kong ETFs is probably going to push the markets with new liquidity that is going to come in. So I do expect actually good things, but there's always some bit of uncertainty. So I'm going to answer your questions. We're going to go through a lot of updates today. There's a lot that we need to talk about. Anyway, let's see who is there on the chat. Let's see. Say what's up. Come say hi. I don't bite. Maybe I shoot you. But no, actually no, because I lost the sound effect for some reason. Anyway, he's got to come back. Don't worry. Take a look at Games GG G3. What is your thoughts? New gaming platform. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think I've looked at this before. So let's take a look. 14 million in market cap. It's very new, only 1 week old. It's on Ethereum and Arbitrum. I haven't seen anything that I like on Arbitrum. Bybit and Qcoin. I might have looked into this actually. Let's see. No, maybe not. Does it even load? Is this a gaming ecosystem or something? Web3 gaming super app that curates and creates content to spotlight top games. But do you play these games or is it just like a catalog and improve Web3 gaming experience? Sounds interesting. I would like to hear more. Do you play them from here? I don't understand if it's just a platform for reviews and discovery or if there's actually games that you play in here. Oh no, you can play, okay. Oh, it seems like a Steam of Web3. Sounds very interesting actually. Sounds interesting. Very weirdly enough, I haven't heard about this, but it just launched. And it's already on very good exchanges, on Bybit and Qcoin. I mean, to begin with and have these exchanges, I wouldn't take it for granted, guys. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I love the fact that it's on 2 chains already. I would definitely have to look at the token vesting of this project because, you know, when it comes to gaming ecosystem that's just launched, it's usually a shot in the dark. Let's see. Do they have vesting data? Okay, so it's 10% of circulating supply right now. Let's see, 1 year from now. Oi. Yeah, okay. So it has a 6x dilution in a span of 1 year. So it's bad. As the majority of gaming ecosystem, game aggregators like this, the tokenomics are so freaking bad. So that would probably put me off, at least to have this as a long-term investment. I perhaps would consider buying a bag for the near future, but just be aware that the tokenomics are not favorable at all for the long term. It seems like it did its initial dip already and it's sitting at all-time high right now. I'll probably hesitate into buying some, despite the fact that this could actually be a very, very good project. 14 million market cap. Volume is considerable already listed on some exchanges. I don't think that this will be a very good financial investment, but the project itself is probably very legit and very good. So take it with a pinch of salt, but I think I gave you a clear example on this. By the way, let's take back the live stream tab, because of course I know that you guys want to see it. Nothing is changing so much. Let's see. There's nothing that I'm adding to the honorable mentions for the moment, because that is it. But I can tell you guys that I'm gonna reveal my RWA pick in around a week. Probably at some point next week, I'm gonna reveal my Patreon pick, RWA, which we went up to 8x return that we dip a little due to the dip that we've seen in overall market. If you guys wanna know that pick before I actually reveal it and before it potentially pumps, then you probably already know that this is the place to be. My private group, all the benefits are listed on the website. All the tiers, etc. You can check out everything here. These are the main benefits of the elite tier, the main tier. First link down in the description, and also the QR code that you see above my head. If you have any questions, please just put it in the live chat. I'm here to answer your questions. So anything that you want to ask. We have a super chat from Conran. $10. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate you. Can you check out the Squid token on Ethereum community revival and 70k donated to community wallet? Strong OT, but want your opinion. Thanks. I think I know which token you're talking about, and wait. Let me just grab it first. Please tell me it's not this one. I guess it's another Squid. Maybe this. Fucking hell. This smells like a terrible project to me. Was this a Squid Game like meme? Can you confirm if it's this one, bro? Just put another. Okay. Handsome Squidward. Okay. Squidward? I don't know, Brian. Can you let me know how to find it? Handsome. Maybe it's on CoinGecko. Is it called Handsome Squidward? Let's see if I can find it, bro. I hope it's not mean. Squidward. How the fuck do I find this shit, bro? If you can let me know how to find it, I'll come back to this chat, right? I don't want to waste time until you guys figure it out. 10k incoming, yeah, guys. Like, I'm so freaking close. Just drop a like, share this video with your mom, with your mother-in-law. I don't know, but I'm so freaking close. So just a thumbs up goes a long way. Really helps me out so much. Could you have a look into the stochastic RSI for Bitcoin, which we're standing? We went through this, I think, already in our private group. So let's take that to privately. I don't want to like do this crazy TA analysis publicly. So let's freaking go. I'm still in the house. What's up, bro? Thoughts of Mavia? So Mavi is 88 million right now. Wow, it definitely dropped a lot. You know what? If somebody wants a safer pick for gaming, I don't think it's bad given these lows. I wasn't expecting it to drop this low, actually. What's the vesting of this project? You know, the thing that I always say is that I don't really invest in gaming to have safer picks. When I invest into gaming projects, I want big multipliers, because if I'm investing into something safe that will give me a 10x or maybe up to a 20x, I want it to be a layer one. I would pick Caspa, I would pick a Lithium, I would pick Tectum, a bunch of other Manta, a bunch of other projects, right? I wouldn't really pick a gaming coin like this. The vesting, so right now it's 12%. Let's see how the vesting goes. 12% is going to be 30 in 1 year, and around the end of 2025, 38. So we could look into a 3x dilution. It's actually not that bad for a gaming project. Listen, it kind of defies the purpose for which I personally invest into gaming project. But this, to me, is quite a no-brainer that it's going to do a 10x from here. So if you want to diversify your portfolio into something that is not, you know, that is not going to give you a 100x or even a 50x for the matter, but you want something relatively safe, I don't think it's a bad shout. From this dip, there was people buying here when it was like $7-8, and I thought that would be like extremely dumb. But from these levels, I think it kind of would have my seal of approval into a DCA. Absolutely. Somebody posted the contract address of that shit. All right. Let's see if I can actually find it. Let me just check real quick, guys, if I can actually find it. Meantime, gonna read some of the question. So far, the best YouTube channel with the best content. Literally, can trust anyone else. Thanos, thank you so much. That means the world to me, and I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Ana Maria. Hello. Let's go. Is there a V3 releasing of Chirply? I don't remember. I mean, there's a new version. I don't remember what version is it. Is it the 3rd or a 4? I don't remember. But they're releasing a new platform. I'm not sure of the ATA. But that is one of the big catalyst events coming from Chirply. Can you share anything regarding Chirply? I've shared some things privately with you guys. Maybe we can chat on the Discord. But I can't compare with anything. Because it's in a niche of its own. Like, I don't want to put it as a social fi token. I don't want to put it as an AI token. Something in between. It's a marketing tool at the end of the day. It has a clear use case when it comes to businesses and everything. So, in my opinion, it's just going to do extremely well. You know, there's nothing I can compare it with. But also, if I see what the team has been doing, like, the team has probably been the hardest worker in crypto. They've put all of these partnerships almost on a daily basis. That has been like extremely huge. The Microsoft, Tectum, Nvidia, like they have some of the biggest names out there. So in my opinion, I'm super bullish. Anyway, let me just check that thing. It's probably a meme, so you're probably gonna get this button. But anyway, I just want to lose some time. It's not even working. Oh my god, bro. Desk screener doesn't even work for me. Maybe it's my VPN, I'm not sure. Oh my god, it's so annoying. The market cap of Lit, huge discrepancy between CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Why is that? The real market cap of Lit is actually the one of CoinGecko. Unfortunately, there's always big discrepancies, especially if a project is not listed on Binance. Otherwise, it's not as big of a discrepancy. And that is simply because of the fact that CoinMarketCap is owned by Binance. So if a project is not listed on Binance, they really don't care of the actual accuracy of the project and everything. So yeah, they just don't care. That is all that I can tell you. This is not even loading, but it's probably a meme, and it's down 36% in the last 24 hours. That doesn't look good. I don't know, for whatever reason, if that screener just doesn't look right now. I don't know, man. Steel Kitty, what's up, bro? Will you please look at the Alvara protocol? I have a bag, but would love to hear your opinion. Okay, Alvara. It's been pumping. Well, not really. It's actually been on a steady decline the last month after the initial pump and dump. 1,600,000. So it's very small in market cap. Listed on Big and Maxi for centralized exchanges. I don't think I've heard about this. ERC 7621. I have no idea what that is. Enables anyone to create their tokenized multi-asset fund and become a fund manager. 1% circulating supply, aye. And it's verified, so it's accurate. 1% circulating supply, man. Unless it has an extremely low vesting schedule. Tokenized funds. So I guess this is RWA. It's probably another one. There's like multi-chain, blah, blah, blah. Listen, just because it's 1%, let me see if I can find a crypto rank. But this is just not a good. Can I find it? Doesn't say the vesting schedule right here, so I don't want to dig down. But if it's 1% circulating supply, launched recently, it's been on a downtrend, and I don't even know. 15% volume, so people are actually trading this. Listed on 2 centralized exchanges, 3 actually, Poloniex too. I don't know. Even the utility doesn't seem that big. The co-founder just admitted to scamming. Might be FUD. Anyway, it just doesn't look bright. Not something that would interest me into narrative. Oh, this actually loans, and oh my god, bro, what the fuck is this, man? Stupid. Why would you buy this, bro? Bro, I don't know why. Why would somebody buy this? I mean, I see a triangle. Could break out again. Could break out again just by looking at the charts. Maybe it pumps, and after that, it rugs. So when investing into this, just don't invest more money that you can afford to lose. They're all scams at the end of the day. So it doesn't mean that you can't make money through it, you know? So maybe you can make some money, but I just wouldn't touch those things. And I'm definitely not recommending people to buy those kind of stupid projects. Do it at your own risk. The cook in the house, what's up, my bro? I hope you're well today, man. Hit the likes. Thank you so much for the reminder, bro. Takes a second, guys. I'm so close to 10K. If you appreciate the free alpha, just drop a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. I don't even know why you're watching this video if you're not subscribed. Since the China ETF's been approved, are there any Chinese project you're looking at? AWT, bro. As Chinese as it gets, man. Quality made in China. 0021, accumulation zone. I know the chart looks weird. I'm not going to lie. The chart looks weird, but I think we touched the bottom. The bottom was at these levels. So unless we actually have a massive, massive Black Swan event coming that is more than just that dip that we saw the last few days, if we actually have this big Black Swan event, it's probably going to dump more like any other crypto at the market. We can't know in this very moment, but if I just look at these prices, to me, is extremely cheap. Like 3 million market cap is absolutely ridiculous for this project. So I would not hesitate to buy more. I honestly can't think about any other Chinese project. I just can't think of any. Smash the like button, guys. Super in the house. Bro, have you actually talked to the AWT team? Yes, I have. It would be good to have them on your channel, or at least know that you have a dialogue with them. I do have a dialogue with them. They're a bit hard to communicate with. I'm not sure if it's a language barrier or anything, but they are hard to communicate with. But they are real people. I've seen them on video. They exist. So don't worry. But I know they're just very busy, unfortunately. So I've been trying to tell them if they want to come for an AMA, but it seems like they're just too busy these days. Hopefully, it's going to happen at some point. I hope so. We're going to see. Hit the like button for all the alpha. Thank you, Mr. Fantastic. I much appreciate you. What's on view? PS? On AWT, you mean? My view hasn't really changed. I just hope that they work better at marketing because they have a gem. It's one of the best projects out there. But I also got to say that the marketing on the project sucks a little bit. So hopefully they're actually able to fix that, at least in part, so the project can actually pump and achieve all the gains that we are all expecting it to be. Thank you soon. Surprise is going to be unveiled. Private stream first or public stream? I don't know. I don't even know if I'm live streaming the day of the 10K. I mean, I guess I have to. But I'm going to tell the surprise first to the Discord. And then I'm going to put it public. You still... Nobody has guessed that. Is it so hard to understand? I don't think so. I don't know. Hit the like button for all the alpha. Thank you so much, my brother. Gakalia, what's up, my friend? IC Pro, is AIT protocol a good AI coin? I think it is, but first of all, I don't know how the graph is looking these days because I haven't looked into this project forever. So let's actually take a look at how it's doing right now first. Seen a bit of a downtrend. It's 32 million, and it's a project that has a buy and sell tax. It's on Coinex. I guess you can buy there, but it's such a scammy exchange, which I probably would not buy there. It's on Uniswap. It has a buy and sell tax with an anonymous team. It seems like most of the projects that follow that sort of structure, unfortunately, turned out to be rugs, or they just been very, very hard and very risky investments. Let's just put it like that. At 31 million, this could as well go to zero, but it could also go, you know, to new highs. The platform, I've seen it myself. I like the learn to earn AI model. I think it's pretty cool. Like the learn to earn is a clear way of actually getting, you know, remuneration for participating into the platform. So it's a good thing. I just want to touch myself. Brian, what's up, man? What's up, bro? Good to see you here. I love when you manage to catch the streams. OG, man. Paulie, what's up, dude? What's up? Coin Hoover, panic sold, all my crypto on the bottom. Was that a good idea, bro? I know it's a joke, bro. I know you wouldn't do that. But anyway, so many people, I think, panic sold. If you're watching this video, I really hope that you listen to my non-financial advice and actually bought the dips instead of panic selling the bottoms. Look at us. Just a couple days later, it seems like the market is actually getting green again. So I've seen it all. I've seen the FTX crash. I've seen Celsius. I've seen much worse than this. I've seen actual major black swan events that, you know, that even put Bitcoin to an all-time low after the big run in the previous bull market. So yeah, I think it's just inexperienced people that actually do this. But anyway. 10K feed reveal? What the fuck? I hope it's a joke. What the fuck, man? Best coins to stock up in the current dips. Yes, let's actually talk about that. Thank you for bringing it up. So I think if I'm looking at the market today, if you ask me tomorrow, I'm probably going to have a different opinion. And that is also why it's good to have live stream. I can't really live stream daily realistically. Maybe in the near future, I'm actually going to do so. But every day, there's going to be a better dip to get. And this is also why I do encourage you to join my private group so you can get these updates in real time and actually buy the dips and make money with me. But if you're late to the party and anyway, you're looking for a dip, what would I recommend now? I think the lit is on a good accumulation zone. Let's actually take a look. I'm going to go through some of my top picks and see what I would buy. So lit is just at 2 cents. I've always said that below 3 cents is very good. Could it drop more? Maybe. I mean, it seems like this was the dip, like 0.18, 0.19, but we're still not far from it. So I wouldn't hesitate to buy some lit, especially if you're looking to buy something that, you know, with high risk to reward ratio. I think mid layer is still a clear accumulation zone. Let's see if it's below 40 cents. Yes, it is. So mid layer, clear winner. The best layer 2 scaling solution for Bitcoin, and overall the best ecosystem. They're putting... A lot of people complained about the marketing on mid-layer, but I beg to differ because, in my opinion, it's the one that has the best marketing. They're announcing partnerships almost every single day. They're still doing that. Just look at their feed. So to anybody that says, "Oh, the marketing is shit," or they're not doing anything, you gotta be crazy. You just gotta be crazy. Just look at it here. So to me, it's just a no-brainer. I know that this is going to go to billions of market cap, and right now, 24 million. Some people say it's another market cap. I don't know. But even if it's 50 million right now, it's still a bargain. So whatever the market cap is right now, I would have to confirm with the team and maybe ask in their Telegram. But anyway, it's still a bargain. At 24, at 50, even anywhere below 100 million, to me is a bargain because this, to me, is just surefire to go to 1 billion plus in market cap. That's what I say. And then I'm gonna talk about the others like later on in the live stream. What the hell is this? Is this a crypto, bro? Will you stake your lit to get Elix? And is lit only the in-game token for Summer Titans, also for the games of Elixir? Listen, if they're under the Lilab Games umbrella, yes, but they are not mutually inclusive. So there's also going to be games, from my understanding at least, that they're not going to be part of Lilab Games. So, yes. I hope it answers your question. I'm not exactly certain, by the way. I'm not going to look at something that is called Sexy Coin. Neural AI is not great. TRX20. It seems like it just launched and then it kept going down and down and down. The project looks okay, but I don't know. I would probably hesitate for a moment. My thoughts on the Solana outages. They're definitely not bullish, but I don't think it's a big deal. Also because, yes, for instance, OTK, which is one of my top picks when it comes to gaming crypto, it's on Solana. But I'm also going to tell you that it's probably going to be bridged to other chains. I don't know that. I don't even know if it's on the roadmap. But if the team is not a lazy-ass team, they will probably want to expand to other chains, probably keeping Solana as the main point of reference. But they're probably going to bridge to chains like Ethereum or Binance or Sui for them. I don't know, whatever, right? So I hope they do that. So it's not a big deal if the Solana chain is down for whatever reason. By the way, hit the likes, guys. There's less than 50% of the viewers posting a like. So I would really appreciate you guys. Just post a like. It really means a lot. Helps a ton. Helps a ton. Second, yes, I've looked into it. I think it might be good for a short-term opportunity, but for it's gonna get old too soon, too quick, because the vesting schedule is absolutely tremendously bad. Like, just if you're a beginner and you don't know these things, I'm giving you this alpha for free, by the way. So definitely press the like. Go on cryptorank.io, you select the coin and you go under vesting. Okay, check here, check the vesting schedule. And you can see what the circulating supply is right now, and you can see where it's going to go. So they have daily unlocks, which is usually not a good thing. It doesn't mean that it's necessarily a bad thing, because if the daily unlocks are minimal, then it's probably better than monthly unlocks, But just look at this. Like, the vesting schedule is so damn bad. If I'm just looking 1 year from now, guys, it's more than 10x. Like, this is outrageous, bro. What the fuck? It's terrible. This is terrible. So I think this is going to be a fad. The game looks great, but I don't buy a game just because it looks great. It's a game in crypto. I buy a project if it's actually decent. Okay? And this just doesn't look good to me as a long-term investment. If you want to just trade this and sell it in a week and perhaps hope that it's going to go up in the next week, by all means, do that. No financial advice. Do whatever the fuck you want. But for all I care. But this just doesn't look good as a long-term hold. So this is actually what I can tell you. Okay? What do you mean by short-term and long-term? So by short-term, I mean anywhere between 1 day and maybe 1 or 2 months, let's say. Mid-term, to me, is like 3 to 12 months. And long-term is 1 year plus. I hope it makes sense. Of course, this is just my interpretation, so you can assign, there's not like there's not like a unit of a reference. So it's just like what I would say myself. En Pingalo livestream, my friend. Muchísimas gracias por tu sabiduría y esfuerzos. Blessed to have found you and joined your alpha. Dan, thank you so freaking much. I appreciate you so freaking much. What's up, Cipro? We're going to round up the cycle. I appreciate what you do. Brian, thank you so much. So much love this live stream. Love you all. Love you all. Synesis 1, I must have looked into this, but I don't remember, man. I know that sometimes I just review the project, but I just looked at dozens of projects every single day, so it's just very hard. I remember that he has the SNS ticker, just like Sonoras. Woof. This is not a healthy correction to me. So big dumping by pre-sale, pump and dump. Nah, it's too much. 26 million. What was this? Data AI. The chart is too big for being a healthy correction to me. I just wouldn't touch it just because of that. It's just a little too much. Just looks too bad. If not using Maxi, do you make the trade on a DEX connecting Tangent, or should you send to a hot wallet? Brian, you can do either or. I don't think it's a big deal if you connect Tangent, but just do even more due diligence than using a hot wallet. My recommendation would be to just keep a hot wallet for connecting it to the centralized apps and the centralized exchanges, and then you send the money from the Tangent into the hot wallet every time that you need to send, to do a transaction, etc. Or alternatively, you could get a separate, this is even better if you can afford it. You buy a separate Tangent and you use one Tangent to connect it to dApps, and one Tangent that you just use as a pure cold wallet that you don't connect to anything at all. This, in my opinion, is the best solution, but of course you're gonna have to buy another set of Tangent. If you can afford it, it's $49 to buy another set of Tangent, so I'm sure that you can afford it if you're watching this video. And actually, I didn't even remember about this, but you can buy 2 sets of wallets and you get free shipping up until the end of the month. So you could actually take advantage of the of this offer. You get free shipping. 2 card set is $49. So with $98, no postage costs. You get 2 wallets and you use one to connect to dApps and one to use as cold storage. My code CPRO gives you 10% off at checkout. It's down in the description. It's automatically applied. That's what I would do. But if you can't afford another Tangent or you don't want to buy another one, just use a hot wallet and send the money there. I think it's just a preferable approach. AWT is down 50% on the month. I know, and everybody is down. You can just cry about it and sell it, or you can accumulate more. The choice is yours, as I always say. Do whatever you want. Do your own research, and then take an informed decision. Layer to $100. That's a little too much, bro. But I'm sure that given your username, you're very Moonboy-ish. The second token of Abyss World, MGC, is tradable on PancakeSwap. I don't think it's correct, man. I haven't ordered anything about it, so unless I'm not up to speed. Mid-layer price action seems to be directly proportional to Bitcoin. Example given, 3% Bitcoin up, 3% mid-layer up, and vice versa. What will make it outperform BTC? That is a very good question, and the only thing that is going to make mid-layer outperform BTC is just Bitcoin dominance to go down. Because, for instance, we can actually make that agreement, but I think that mid-layer is actually dumping harder than Bitcoin and then pumping less. But when Bitcoin dominance goes down, when we actually go into the altcoin season, then it's going to be more towards in favor of mid-layer. I hope it makes sense. What about Lit, bro? What's happening with Lit? What's the future? The future is that we are at the bottom. We are still in accumulation phase. You need to be willing to see your investment go in the red for a bit because the gaming industry is just not interesting right now. Nobody cares about gaming in this very moment. When nobody cares about a certain sector, that is the moment in which you accumulate those projects because you don't want to be the kind of person that FOMOs into an industry when everybody's talking about it. I always say this, and I'm sick of repeating this, but a lot of people keep having the need of listening to this every single time. Buy a narrative, buy a conviction, buy a narrative before it gets popular because people are going to ask and ask and ask about gaming when the gaming industry pumps. So do the opposite. Accumulate now, like me and my community are doing. Gaming is okay, but the vesting schedule is bad. I don't know where it is right now. It's a good project. It's just, it has some points of concerns, And it's just been on a downtrend. I don't know, man. I don't know. CEO is leaving? Is this true? Might be FUD. Would you trust a pizza? Maybe not. Amir, we have another super chat. Thank you so much, man. Juice? Sounds like a shitcoin. Blastex. Is that the name? Is it this one? What the fuck, bro? What the fuck is this shit? I hope it's not this one. And if you mean juice, I have no idea. Sorry, bro. I would like to check it, but what the hell do you mean? Mick Panic Bots. Well done, bro. Well done. People who are afraid about the current altcoin dumps should invest in bonds. Yeah, I do agree. Like, all these people that are just terrified by dips, if you can't handle these red days, you probably shouldn't be in crypto in the first place. You should be doing stocks and bonds and ETFs. Just invest into an index fund. If you want something that is relatively risk-free and is probably going to go up and up, but it's not going to give you life-changing money. Maybe it's going to give you 5% per year or whatever that is. I think that is a good indicator for an ETF, index tradable fund. Listen, that's all I can say. Like, if you can't handle the altcoin dips, don't invest into altcoins. Maybe you just want to touch Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever. Just, people don't get it. And people that complain, really, just, this is not their place. I agree, Brian. Node AI, Ticker GPU, I just wouldn't buy. It's another non-docs team. I think this is quite bad, actually. Why is it not even here? Oh, wait, am I... It's not doing bad, I'll give you that. But it's just another project. 144, there is not a chance that I would buy this project at 144 million. I can tell you that. No moon? Bought a tech today, staked it for, it's bad. I don't know if it's... No, I don't think you did a bad thing. Pau says, good tech, good games doesn't mean good investment. Portal Gaming soon, Blowloop will release token with very bad vesting for sure. Yes, I mean, just because a project has a good game doesn't mean that it's a good investment. I absolutely agree. That is always what I say. For instance, if I was to invest into the best game out there, Shrapnel, look at Shrapnel. Shrapnel is one of the best games that is going to be. The market cap is too high. It's also a single game. There's also more risks involved into that. And you're just not going to get like crazy multiplier also over something that is also that big in market cap already. And Bloodloop as well. I mean, it's not out yet, so I can't really make a judgment, but I have my doubts into investing into that for sure. Right AMA, I'm actually going to chase them. I was waiting to hear from them. What's wrong with Right Team? I'm actually going to text them after this question. But soon, hopefully next week. Let me call the Bossman riots. Last time for big gains in the bull run. Marky, I do think that this believes on potential new Black Swan events coming and maybe actual Black Swans if situations degenerate. I am not afraid. I still have USDT on the side. Right now, I would say 20% or something like that. I used to have 40, so I bought a lot. But I can tell you guys that I don't want to be without dry powder. But I don't want to be without dry powder in this very moment because I think that more dips are incoming. But they're probably going to be eaten away very, very soon, just like we saw the other day. I hope that you got the dips. I hope that you got the dip into AI tech. For instance, if you had been in my group, actually, you would have gotten the dip in AI tech. That was the second time that I bought AI tech ever. Look what AI tech did. Guys, we bought here. We bought at 16 cents. I timed the dip perfectly again. And if it goes back to 16 cents again, I'm going to buy again. Just as simple as that. But if you've been in my group, you would have gotten the accumulation alert. You would have bought here. That's all I can say. It's the second time that I bought AI tech ever. The previous time that I bought AI tech was, when was it? Oh my God, my screen's tripping. Was here. 1st of January, when it was 50 cents. Sorry, 1 cent 5. 1 cent 5. So yeah, that's what I can tell you guys. So it was AI tech. I hope that you guys got the tip. Where's my ADA and Veracity fans? Oh my fucking God. They're stuck in the bull run of 2021. That's where they are. They are in the previous bull run, bro. Spores? Guys, you're telling me some things that I have no idea what they are. This 1 mil, this below 2. Oh my God, the fuck is this, bro? It blows my mind that people watch my channel and they still can't tell apart terrible projects just by looking at a chart. What the fuck? This launched at the peak of the bull run, just before the peak. It got a pump and then dumped. It went to basically zero. Look at here, it's down 98.5% from all-time high. What makes you think that this is gonna recover to the highs? Blows my mind that people will touch stuff like this. It's a Ponzi. Andrew, I'm not saying that Second is a terrible project. I'm just saying that it's a bad long-term investment. So if you look 1 year from now, when there's 10 times the tokens of circulation, the price is probably not going to do very well. But it's a new thing. It's shiny. I know that some patrons are buying it. So it's probably just pumping because of that. Also, you know, you need to understand that if I send a buy alert to my group and something is 1 million in market cap, we can literally inject 1 million, my group and myself. So, of course, if some other patron that is similar to my size, maybe bigger, maybe smaller, they buy it, it's going to pump in the short term. And then maybe those group is going to dump on you. So, first of all, I'm not buying because of it. But second of all, listen, it can pump because it's shiny and looks good. But it's not going to do well in the long term. So, you can look 1 year from now and see where the price has gone. But I have no problems, of course, if you want to buy it. But just be aware of that. And it's maybe just going to pump like quickly. And that's it. By the way, there was a super chat here that I missed. Sorry, man. SWFTC. Cross-chain relevant. I don't think I've heard about that. SW. Swift coin. The ticker is off. It's too long. Oh my God. It looks like shit. What? Another chart. It's not as bad as the previous one, but it's also gone through a bull run. Oh my God, bro. It also gone through a bull run. And look, this was the peak of the bull run. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing here. Like, absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. So I'm glad that I've never heard about this. Or maybe I heard about it and I forgot about it because it looks like the desert around Dubai. ADA went to 11 for a few days, really? Second gonna do 100x. Oh my God, these shillers. What are you talking about? How can a project... So a project to do 100x would have to do a 1000x in market. Oh my... Anyway. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. Steve, I'm at work, but this is way more important. Keep up the great work. Steve, thank you so much for watching, as always. Long time support. I appreciate you, bro. I'm fine with the dips, just so excited about the pumps. I get impatient. Maybe need a new hobby about this. Have you started Discord on YouTube? Maybe we let's talk shit in off-topic chat. You're the only YouTuber. I am the only YouTuber you watch live. Thank you so much, man. Means a lot. Appreciate you, bro. AWT looks fantastic long term. I appreciate you for introducing it to the group so early. My pleasure, man. My pleasure. Tommy bought the dips. Well done, bro. How well do I think Souls will perform? I think very, very well. I think very, very well. It's still relatively unknown. The market cap is very small, and they have very bullish announcement coming soon. So that's what I'm saying. Oh, bro, the microphone stand is arriving next week, and it's simply not here because it's imported by the UK. And here in the Emirates, the stuff that is imported takes forever. So it's gonna come, and it's also gonna come my freaking desk. I still don't have a desk. By the way, I lost my phone. I need it. Mystery person, can you please bring me my phone? Thank you. I was waiting for another protocol. Sorry, guys. Loading up on the secret pig. Let's go, bro. Let's go, man. Yeah, they do have Amazon, but the supply is not as good as UK or US, so some things take just forever to come. We have another... Oh, Tommy had a super chat. Thanos has a super chat without saying anything, but you spoke a lot already. Epic Prime, actually. That's... Thank you guys, by the way. It means a lot. Epic Prime. $15 million. Oh my god, bro. Bro. I appreciate your donation, but just look at this. Just be smarter than that. It just launched to pump and dump at the peak of the bull run. Just look at here. If the chart looks like this, and the peak is when there was the peak of the bull run, and then went to basically zero, then there's very little to say. I wish I could tell that this is a good project, but it's just a Ponzi. 10K revealed the unveiling on the mystery person. I could do that. Mystery person, can you bring me my phone, please? Maybe the mystery person is sleeping. Anyway. Can you bring me my phone? I don't know where it is. Where the fuck is my phone? Anyway. Champs? Tell us champs. Champs. Let's not dox the mystery person. Chart looking good. Diagonal uptrend. Just keeps pumping. What the hell is this? 6 million. Only Uniswap. What the hell? Browser-based RPG. It looks very stupid. What's the market cap? 6 million. Oh my god, bro. Look at the trading volume of this 0.21. I understand that it's only on Uniswap. Maybe it has sell taxes? Oh my god, bro. What's there? 5%. Thank you for the phone. Listen, this thing has sell tag. Sorry, guys. It was urgent. 5%. What the fuck? Why would you buy this? You should have BitBoy hold your microphone and serve you espresso. Casp is a good buy? Yes, absolutely. Gorag on TPU was 2%. Seen this in project on Tau. 98% drop in short time. What went wrong? That the team is anonymous, so they can do whatever the hell they want. Alright, guys. I'm gonna quit the live stream because I have important stuff that I need to attend to. Thank you so much for being here today. I appreciate you all. Join the group before it's too late, before I actually increase the prices for the Apple run. And it's so freaking cheap, and the value for money you get is insane. I hope that you guys can see you there. And I hope that you take your investing journey seriously. I hope that you're not emotional. I hope you're buying the dips. And yeah, let's all make money together. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate you. Love you all. Bye-bye.